Hello, everyone. My name is Alice, and I'm 25 years old. I was born in a small town in the countryside, surrounded by nature. My family wasn't very big, just my parents, my younger brother, and me. When I was a child, I loved looking at the sky and watching airplanes fly. I used to tell my parents, one day, I'll be a pilot. At first, they thought it was just a dream, but I was very serious about it. I studied hard in school, because I knew I needed good grades to become a pilot. After high school, I went to a flight academy. It was very challenging, but also exciting. During my training, I learned about airplanes, safety rules, and how to navigate in the sky. I still remember my first solo flight. It was scary and amazing at the same time. Now, I work as a pilot for an airline company. I fly to many different countries, like France, Japan, and Brazil. Each trip is an adventure, and I learn something new every time. When I am not working, I have some hobbies that keep me busy. For example, I love photography. I take pictures of the places I visit. Sometimes, I share these photos on my social media. Another hobby of mine is hiking. I often go hiking when I have free time, because it helps me relax. I also enjoy cooking. My favorite dish to make is pasta. I like to experiment with different ingredients and create my own recipes. Besides my hobbies, I spend a lot of time with my family and friends. Family is very important to me. My parents are my biggest supporters. My younger brother is 20 years old, and he studies engineering. We are very close, and we talk almost every day. One thing I am very passionate about is learning languages. Apart from English, I speak a little bit of French and Spanish. Learning a new language is not easy, but it is very rewarding. In the future, I want to learn more languages, like German or Chinese. My dream for the future is to fly to every continent. I also want to inspire young people, especially girls, to follow their dreams. If you have a dream, work hard and never give up. Thank you so much for listening to my story. I hope you enjoyed getting to know me. See you next time.